I need to move these stones from here to there. To level this garage floor and stop water from pooling on the outside wall. I'm a 60-plus grandma on a tight budget, and on this garage fix, I need to save money on supplies and labor. I plan to do the job myself. So let's get going and see where I save money, how I move the stones, and if I'm successful. My first savings will be no wheelbarrow. That would be ideal for the job, but this is all I've got. It's an inexpensive dolly that I got at Canadian Tire, and I've used a bungee cord to attach a Rubbermaid tote to it. It's not going to be able to hold much, so it's going to take quite a number of trips to move any amount of stones, but I'm working with what I've got just to keep my expenses low. Another savings is going to be this shovel. I found it in the garage when I moved in, when I took possession, and even though it's broken, you can see that there's a crack in the shovel itself. It's still going to do the job, and I'm just going to use it until it breaks. Savings is taking the stones from the driveway. This is my driveway. It goes all the way along here, and I'm on a corner, so it goes around the garage and out to the other road. And even moving in trailers and extra cars, I really don't think I need this much driveway. So taking the stones from the driveway won't reduce me being able to use it in any way. too bad, especially at the back. It was high enough at the back, but along where tires might have gone or wheels, it was a little lower. So I think for now, I don't need to bring any more stones in. But now I have to think about what I need to get to tamp this down. But otherwise, we're getting close to having this job done as well. The day after I put all of these stones down, the East Coast had a really, really, really heavy rainstorm. And I came out to the garage to see how my stones did, and they did fine. I just didn't do enough. It goes quite a ways down. I don't know if you can really see the reflections of where the water is, but it's all along here. So looks like as much as I thought I was done, I'm not. I'm going to have to be digging up some more stones and putting more into the garage. It's a couple days later and I haven't moved any more stones. But the storm cooled things off considerably, so I should be able to finish the job within a day. It may not be complete, but it was a success. I didn't rush. I moved at a pace I was comfortable with and moved amounts that I could manage. It was definitely a job that I could do. Now I'm looking forward to planting wildflowers in the holes where the stones were on the driveway. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. It's a couple of days later and I haven't moved any more stones yet. But the storm cooled things off considerably, and I should be able to finish the job in a day. It may not be done, but it was a success. I didn't rush. I moved at a pace I was comfortable with and moved amounts that I could manage. It was definitely a job that I could do. Now I'm looking forward to planting the wildflowers in the holes where the stones were on the driveway. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.